For over 30 years, Gateway has implemented best-in-class solutions for challenging information management problems. We do this using appropriate technology when technology is needed, and a full range of consulting services to help improve business processes when that's needed. Over the years, we have focused our activities on process and energy applications, as well as life sciences applications. We will work in any capacity our clients need, from fulfilling one segmented role in a project to providing full turnkey implementation and project management. At Gateway, each project is led by and actively worked on by a senior, experienced professional. We have been privileged to have worked with some of the best companies in the world. We've tried to establish a thought leadership position in each of the areas we've worked in since Gateway was founded in 1991. Learn more at gatewaygroup.com.